Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our activities focus on different topics such as science, history, health, and reading arts. Thank you for joining in on our learning today. Today we have our activity coordinators, Marian Luis, and myself, Jala, to help us out. In today's activity, we will learn about mixtures. Some vocabulary to keep in mind during this video are temperature, which is a degree of hotness or coldness that can be measured. Reaction, a process in which one or more substances are converted to one or more different substances. Then we have a mixture, which is a substance in which two or more substances are mixed together but not chemically joined together. And lastly, I know you're wondering, substance. A substance is basically a thing, anything that can be mixed, joined, combined, which is anything. Now Marian will show you a fun activity in which you can make your own ice cream.
Now for the fun stuff. We're going to be now making our ice cream. So let's see what ingredients we're going to be needing to make our delicious ice cream. So we're going to be needing half and half, and if you don't have half and half at home, it's okay. You guys can use whole milk and sour cream, vanilla, salt, sugar, measuring cups, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients, an empty clean container, a Ziploc bag, tablespoon, and a teaspoon. Now, let's start off by first pouring 1 cup of half and half into the small Ziploc bag. But this is only for half and half milk. If you don't have half and half, instead of adding 1 cup of half and half, you'll be adding half a cup of whole milk and half a cup of sour cream. And the rest of the steps still apply. Then we add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We seal the bag firmly and extract any extra air. Then on the big container, we're going to fill half the container with ice and 1/4 a cup of salt into the container. Then we add our small Ziploc bag into the container and fill the rest of the container with ice. And we seal it nice and tight. Now we're going to be shaking it up. But if it gets to a point that the container does get cold outside, you can wrap it up with a cloth and keep shaking it for 6 minutes. Afterwards, you guys can open the container and pull out the small bag and go to your sink and rinse it out because it does have salt all around it. You don't want your ice cream to taste salty. After rinsing it out, you can carefully place it in a small little container, and it's going to feel a little chunky or like pretty much solid, so just chop it a little down so it can be nice and creamy. From there, you can eat your ice cream and enjoy. But at home, if you guys do have toppings or things you could add to your ice cream, in my case, I have granola bars and also some colorful little circles I could just put into my ice cream, mix it up, and enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Luis. So I'm going to show you why this method of making ice cream works. So I'm going to show you the science behind making ice cream. So we have 2 bags when we make this ice cream. One bag has ice and salt, and the other bag has the stuff to make the ice cream, which is half and half, sugar, vanilla, and other stuff you need for the ice cream. So, in one bag, which is the ice and the salt. So, when you mix ice and salt, it makes the temperature go down. So, when you have regular ice, the temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But when you add salt, it makes it way, way colder. So you're going to probably 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's really cold when you're making this ice cream. That is why when you put the small bag into the ice and salt and shake it really well, then it makes ice cream. Because if you just do ice and not put salt, it's just gonna make the ice cream cold. That's it. It's still gonna be a liquid. So that's why we make ice. When you mix ice and ice salt into one bag and then put the small bag in there, it'll make it colder. It'll make it have like little particles in order to make like ice, some ice cream. So that's why it makes ice cream. So that is the science behind making ice cream. So hopefully you guys come back soon. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions about this activity, and hopefully we'll see you soon.